Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go over the Forex market wrap. I'm going to go over the open positions we have as well currently in the market. But essentially the dollar has gained some strength. So we've been expecting this for a little while. We wanted to see this confirmed. Obviously we're coming up to the US election next week as well, where typically the dollar does strengthen, so we are still expecting to see that. We'll go over a bit of an election special for the Forex market outlook next week. We'll talk about some key levels and some key charts to watch in the Forex market outlook. But essentially the dollar has gained strength this week, and we can see that from this Euro US dollar chart price closing or heading towards a very nice bearish close. So what we can anticipate here is where could price go to, and we've been talking about 114 for a while now, and that's this huge level here on Euro US dollar where prices touched recently and back in 2019 as well. So this is where we're expecting price to head to. We're expecting that dollar strength to continue. In the Forex market outlook, we'll point out a couple of areas to watch for that continuation. But you know, this week the dollar really has strengthened. We've seen some key opportunities this week, and we can see that price has broken out of this channel which we spoke about on Euro US dollar as well. A lot of the majors formed these channels this week and was expecting price to break down, but now we have that confirmation that price is doing that, which is what we've been waiting for really. And now that we see that coming up to election week, we can point out a couple of areas in the outlook which we can look for. So really focusing on that the majors next week, and that dollar, how is that going to play out? Now we have a couple of positions, especially dollar Swiss, which is an interesting one because we've been holding on to this for a while now, and we did set some alerts up at these highs. I think it's a bit of an ask to look for the market to test these highs before the election. So what I'm actually going to do, just in case any kind of news comes out over the weekend, is close these positions down. So I'm just going to close dollar Swiss. Unfortunately, could have got out for a very good price up here. However, was expecting that weekly to continue to the upside, so we'll take that position just through here. But you know, we are expecting that continuation, but what we may expect is maybe another drop back down into these lows here, and we'll analyze next week what the potential opportunity could be here and what happened previously, in order to kind of point out a level that we can watch going into next week. Euro yen as well, we were looking for the position to come and retest 123. Price has just continued that 4-hour trend at the moment, so happily to haven't triggered this one, so happy to just close this position as well. Euro Oz as well, we're in a slight loss at the moment on Euro Oz. We could sit in this one and wait to see if it does pop to the upside, but again, don't want any kind of weekend news to kind of force us out of any kind of moves here, so I am just going to close this position for a small loss just in here as well. Essentially, we don't want any trades in holding over the weekend, just in case any sharp news comes out. Obviously, you know, we'll talk about the details of what kind of currencies we can look for going into next week. But at the moment, we can see the dollar strengthening quite nicely. We'll see how that plays out going into next week. And if you have any comments or questions or anything you want me to go over in that sort of election week, let me know in the comment section below. Hope you've enjoyed the content this week, and I'll speak to you soon.